This one is live located to all those who lost a special love in their life. Come back, baby. Come back, baby. I need you now more than before. So don't you walk through my door. Come back, baby. Come on back, baby. You promised you would be my wife. Now you're walking out my life. I love you. I love you. I really love you. Yes, I really do. I want you. And I need you. I really want you. And I need you too. I know we had a quarrel or two. That shouldn't mean that we are through. Misunderstandings at times, how it can mess up our minds. Come back, baby. Come back, baby. I need you now more than before. So don't you walk through my door. Come back, baby. Come on back, baby. You promised you would be my wife. Now you're walking out my life. I need you. I want you. I really need you. Yes, I really do. I love you. I love you. I really love you. Ooh, you. We're looking back on the times we had. I often make you feel so glad. These are the times when we were happy. Ooh, baby. Come back, baby. I need you now more than before. So won't you come back through my door? Come back, baby. Come on back.
Picking up the pieces and put it back together again. I tell you, pick up the pieces. That one you need, pick up the pieces. I tell you about the one and only. Pick up the pieces. You and I, we can pick up the pieces and put it back together again. Yeah, we can put it back together again. Yeah. Well, I will always stand and represent on your behalf. Let we pick up the pieces for life too short. You see the haters, them will always attack. But who in at the end, who will have the last laugh? And life would be fantastic, it truly would be great. Endless opportunities for us to create. But I beg you please, no left it too late. We can put it back together, now it's time to celebrate. So Peter, I don't be late.
You better not wait on time.
No, don't be late. Say meet me at the studio about 7:45. Stingray music, Raffy rate. Through them lick back the studio where I mash up the place. And Abelwell collaborate, don't hesitate. We up in the studio and the track we start lace. Then boom, a big tune create. And now we put it back together, now it's time to celebrate. We can pick up the pieces. You and I, we can pick up the pieces. Together we can pick up the pieces and put it back together again. Yeah, we can put it back together again. Yeah. You know, I tell you, picking up the pieces, I will say. I put it back together again. You're picking up the pieces, I will tell ya. Wow. You better not wait. No, you better not wait. To put it back together, you think that we could angle. Never again for this to be dismantled. All we deal with is love over here. So let's put it back together, yes, and don't we hesitate. Wow. I'll tell you this straight. Pick up the pieces and let us celebrate. We can pick up the pieces. You and I, we can pick up the pieces. I tell you, we can pick up the pieces and put it back together again. Yeah, we can put it back together again. Yeah. I tell you, put it back together again. Yeah, we can put it back together again. Yeah. I tell you.
Oh well. Alright. It's kinda funny how we met, girl. I just can't get you out of my head. I'm always thinking about you, right through the day until I go to my bed. I don't know what is going on. It's like I'm living in a dream. Cause what I thought was a fantasy has now become reality. Yeah, I choose you, baby.
I choose you.
I want you, girl.
Yes, I do, yes, I do, yes, I do.
I know you'll be good for me, lady. Yeah. I choose you, girl.
Yes, I do,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes, I do.
Now we're on the telephone for hours every day. Everything is so natural with you. We never run out of things to say. I don't know how you do it, girl, but you bring out the best in me. You're the one that I see in my dreams, the woman in front of me. I choose you, baby.
I choose you.
I want you, girl.
Yes, I do, yes, I do, yes, I do.
I know you'll be good for me, lady. Yeah, yeah.
I choose
Oh, yeah. I choose you, girl.
yes, I do,
Yeah, yeah,
yes,
yeah.
I do.
I know you'll be good for me, lady. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. I choose you, girl. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now we're on the telephone for hours every day. Everything is so natural with you. We never run out of things to say. I don't know how you do it, girl, but you bring out the best in me. You're the one that I see in my dreams, my empress, my woman, my lady. I choose you, baby.
I choose you.
I want you, girl.
Don't cry no more. Cry no more, my people. Don't cry no more. We'll see a better day. Oh, oh, oh. Don't cry no more. Cry no more, my people. Don't cry no more, no. Hear now what I say. Ay, ay, ay. So many children are on the street with no food to eat. Babylon issue guns every day of the week. Confusion as I see it. And them no care for the little ghetto youths down there. I struggle on the cold concrete. And I would never give a man more than he can bear. No matter how much crosses you meet. Hey, don't cry no more now. Cry no more, my people. Don't cry no more. You'll see a better day. Ow, ow, ow. Don't cry no more now. Cry no more, my people. Don't you cry no more. Hear now what I say. Ow, ow, ow. Rastafari, a living testament. See what the enemies have done. All the wicked that them plan and all the traps that them set. You know, Sebingy man, we not run. In the middle of the battle, Satan we go tackle. And still more devil them a come. The truth of the matter, wicked boy them a go flatter. You know, see it said the fire of the burn. Well, Lord, No cry no more. Cry no more, my people. Don't you cry no more. We'll see a better day. Oh, oh, oh. Don't cry, blessings, yeah. Jaja bring forth honey, don't stop. Jaja bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. Let the news men write what they wanna write. Let the wicked believe what they wanna believe. Jaja bring forth honey, don't stop. Now, Jaja bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. Let the sufferer be always strong, and give dread Natty the power to be true and strong. Jaja bring forth honey, don't stop. Now, Jaja bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. Now, now, now. Shall we alive? Yeah, we don't care for the name of Jah. We don't care for the name of Jah. Now, Jaja bring forth honey, don't stop. Jaja bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. Let the wicked believe what they wanna believe, and give dread Natty the power to be true and strong. Jaja bring forth honey, don't stop. Now, Jaja bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. Jaja bring forth honey, don't stop. Jaja bring forth.
His feet was like burnt brass. Rage, yes, the lion roach. Alright. Babylon is an overtime, and I can see that your dream and aspiration is crumbling. Every time the bingy man yarn, I can see them, they afraid, them afraid. Babylon is an overtime, and I can see that your dream and aspiration is crumbling. Every time the bingy man yawn, Babylon quake. I tell them love and unity, but I know that them did want. The bugger them a live like puss, and I live like dog. Why you a rush vanity so? Like some damn arbor shark. Jago beat you up and make you drop back in the past. You remember what did happen to Jackass? Roots and Wolipa culture where the ghetto youths want. Them yam up Jaja chicken and them sip up Jaja hog. Selassie I go left them in a one big body bug. Yo, Babylon is an overtime, and I can see all the dream and aspiration is crumbling. Every time the bongo man yarn, I can see them, they afraid, them afraid. Babylon is an overtime, and I can see all their dreams and aspiration is crumbling. Every time the bingy man yarn, Babylon quake. Talk if you want, yeah, rock if you want. Selassie I go slap you with a lightning bolt. It is not for the swift, but who can endure? Rasta come to give you more and more. This is the day. It is the falling of Babylon from in their regions. This is the day now when the judgment says, bust up them beds, yo. This is the day, yo. In the love jar, then you know you are good. So Babylon is an overtime, and I can see that your dream and aspiration is crumbling. Every time the bingy man yarn, I see Babylon quail now. Babylon is an overtime. time and I can see their dream and aspiration is crumbling. Every time the bingy man yard, Babylon quake. I tell them love and unity, but I know that them did what them will live like the puss and flex like the dog. Oh, you are a vanity so like some Yama Basha. Jago beat you up and make you drop back in the past. You remember what did happen to Jackass? Roots and Wippa culture where the ghetto youths want. Yes, can't box the can out of the good youths them palm. Love and unity is that we want. And say now, Babylon is an overtime, and I can see that your dream and aspiration is crumbling. Every time the bingy man yarn, I can see them.
What's wrong, mankind?
What's wrong with our people?
Are we losing our minds?
Think about it. What do I say?
So much war and crime.
Unnecessary. sorry.
Getting out of line.
Save your divine.
What's the use of fighting all the time?
What is the use?
It's best for us to unite.
Why not come together and be a united force to reckon with?
So much to lose if we don't leave the strife behind and walk into your life.
Who's the Banton say? Are you gonna change? Are you gonna stay the same? People need to realize their aim and the tempo strange as the leaders play their game. Will things ever be the same? Well, are you gonna change? Are you gonna stay the same? The people realize their aim and the tempo strange as the leaders play their games. Will things ever be the same?
Why be unkind to your fellow man?
Why can't you show some love and kindness?
Distress and pain
To each and every man,
spreading across the land.
peace and happiness, you know.
It's the same blood that rolls through our veins.
Hear that?
All this killing is a shame. Stop this sacrilege, apply some knowledge. It's about time we make a change.
Tell them no, no.
What we got to do to make the leaders understand?
There must be something we can do to make this change. See the plight of the people. Realize them can't go on stupid no more.
We got to come together,
This
my
generation
people,
will not have
make a
it.
stand.
What am I
Spread
saying?
the love across the land.
What am I saying?
Oh,
Lord, realizing our fate, life can be so great. Lend an helping hand, put a smile on your face. Why should we annihilate when we cannot create? Why the leaders of the country refuse to move straight? Search the skills, who is to be blamed? The ignorance, them seeking fame, the poor man feeling the pain. And all who can't take it, don't rep an aeroplane. From the hardship and strain, no one greet one another in the streets anymore. Peace and famine are just rich and poor. Put to the Banton sing that tune, yeah, it's really hardcore. Luciano, slow some more.
so long, so long, so long.
Our pain and our pounds.
And time we make a stand.
The world is full of problems, more than tongue can tell, affecting the wide population, adults and children as well. Here is something different to change the monotony. I hope that you will listen and be free. This is for the world, for every boy and girl. I hope that you will see the joy within the melody. This is for the world, for every boy and girl. I hope that you will find joy and peace of mind. Yeah. People will get colder, losing self-control. Thy love is warm and tender, sweet music to your soul. All I have to offer, the message in my song. And I hope that you will join me and sing along. For this is for the world, for every boy and girl. I hope that you will see the joy within the melody. This is for the world, for every boy and girl. I hope that you will find happiness and peace of mind. This is for the world, yeah. This is for the world, yeah. I want to dance if you're dancing, shout if you're shouting, make a joyful noise unto the King. For this is for the world, for everybody. full of problems, more than tongue can tell, affecting the white population, adults and children as well. Well, here is a little something different, so break the monotony. Come on, my people, come on, my people, come and sing. This is for the world, for every boy and girl. I hope that you will see.
You better just think twice,
find a way back. Oh, she left a letter saying that she's gone away and I should forget her. So she's gonna find a love that's wonderful. She told her sister that she's gonna make me beg her to come home. But girl, you're only wasting your time. Cause if you're not back by Sunday, don't come back on Monday, or I'm gonna find someone to love me only for me. Well, if you're not back by Sunday, don't come back on Monday, or I'm gonna find someone to love me only for me.
Oh man, me love you, but remember what I told you before. No check for me, then tell me, girl, you better be sure. Drop the roll and it's a thing, you better head for the door. Not tolerate your vibes no more. Look how me give you everything, I just to make you secure. You tell me Monday, me say Sunday, just to settle the score. Stop walk up on your pride as if it is on the floor. Show them make no lie on your roar. So baby girl,
if you're not back by Sunday, don't come back on Monday, or I'm gonna find someone to love me only for me. Girl, if you're not back by Sunday, don't come back on Monday, or I'm gonna find someone to love me only. Give you more time, give you the space, but you let it go to waste, running around, painting the place. Oh, what a big disgrace, I can't deny, I won't erase. Memories cannot be replaced, but if you're not back, I'm gonna find someone to take your place. Cause if you're not back by Sunday, don't come back on Monday, or I'm gonna find someone to love me only for me. Girl, if you're not back by Sunday, don't come back on Monday, or I'm gonna find someone to love me only for me. Might as well play the game. Whoa, sometimes it can be so unfair. I'm a longing to see you. I wanna know how you've been doing over yonder. I'm longing. Alright, sure. I'm gonna catch this flight, and when I reach my destination, I hope you be smiling. Listen to your call, longing to see me. Alright. I thought you'd drop me a line just to say hello, my dear. I'm doing fine. Don't mind the whole night. Alright, sure. Doesn't matter anyway now, cause my love for you will never change. Tell me what you're doing right now, cause when push comes to shove, everybody's gonna put the blame on me for loving you. When push comes to shove, everybody's gonna put the blame on me for loving you.
woman, me love you, but I know me know you want no mind. Me ready to pay the penalty, me ready to pay the fine. Me not deny the way me feel, can loving and no crime. For you the way me want is just a matter of time. Me know say them no like we say the two are with be friend, but that can change my mind no matter what them a defend. Enough of them a wrinkle up the face and all a bend, but me no really matter them. Cause when
push come to shove, everybody's gonna put the blame on me.
So remember that
for loving you. When push come to shove, everybody's gonna put the
changed.
Seems like it fade away.
I'm not playing any games.
No games.
I wanna know if what we have still remains the same. Tell me what you're doing right now, 'cause when push comes to shove, everybody's gonna put the blame on me for loving
So
you.
girl,
When push comes to shove, everybody's gonna put the blame on me for loving
So girl,
you.
when
Push comes to shove, everybody's gonna put the blame on me for loving you. When push comes to shove, everybody's gonna put the blame. She doesn't want me around. She's got something to hide. I think she wants a clown, someone to take for a ride. But I keep telling her I'm too experienced to be taking for a stroll. Too experienced for someone to rock and roll. I'm too experienced to be taking for a ride. And I know it's not my foolish pride. She hates the sight of me because I turned her off or down. She always saying we were meant to be. Somehow she thought I'd be her clown. But this is why I said I'm too experienced to be taking for a stroll. Too experienced for someone to rock and roll. I'm too experienced to be taking for a ride. And I know it's not my foolish pride. Doesn't want me around. She's got something to hide. I think she wants a clown, someone to take for a ride. But this is why I say I'm too experienced to be taken for a stroll. Too experienced for someone to rock and roll. I'm too experienced to be taking for a ride. And I know it's not my foolish pride. So she didn't have a daughter, she did have a son. She said the lift doesn't work, run up the stairs and come. And if you don't come quick, you're not gonna know that's fun. So I grab a bunch of rose and I started to run. Here I come, whoa. 2 months later, she said, come and get your son, 'cause I don't want your baby to come tie me down. Now because you are old and I am young. Yes, while I'm young, yes, I wanna have some fun. Run me down, should live waddle diddly woodly diddly whoa. Swing, I'm broad, I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway. Yes, I'm broad, I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway. When you go to Volcano, it's like a stage show.
You have man that swing DJ and blow. Pull it down the radio. Yo. Swing. And the intercom rose. It tell me to come. She didn't have a daughter, she did have a son. She said the lift doesn't work, run up the stairs and come. And if you don't come quick, you're not gonna see your son. So I grab a bunch of froze and I started to run. Here I come. 2 months later, she said, come and get your son. Cause I don't want your baby to come tie me down, cause you are old and I am young. Just while I'm young, yes, I wanna have some fun. Run me down. Shoodly walk, move, boodly diddly whoa. Swing, exercise, then size way. Extra broad, broader than Broadway. And the intercom rose, tell me to come. So she didn't have a daughter, she did have a son. Here I come. Swing, cause I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway. Me stand up on volcano sound and I burn me ganja pipe. Babylon come and tell me that no right. Me say me burn it and pass it on the right. Me say them come in and them look and down the dread. Them say hey Natty dreadlocks are where you come from. You must have 2 stick of sensi under your thumb. Me say no officer Lord he must be mad. He only smokes cigarette and strictly shag. Oh whoa, see. Under me sense, me under me sense. 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 Whoa, see, whoa, ooh, whoa, whoa, hey. All over me, Babylon does all over me. All over me, Babylon does all over me. Them no ramp with me, I strictly sensey. All over me, Babylon does all over me. Oh no, oh no. See, all over me, Babylon does all over me. Check them. All over me, Babylon does all over me. All over me, wicked man does all over me. Oh no. Whoa. Hey Babylon, you know like ganja man, but we bring the foreign country on the island. To Babylon, nobody charge me, sir. To Babylon, nobody charge me, sir. One butt on my lip, I pay blood, me start spit. To Babylon, nobody charge me, sir. Oh no, see, no. All over me, Babylon does all over me. All over me, Babylon does all over me. All over me, wicked man does all over me. Oh, whoa, see, whoa, ooh, whoa. Hey Babylon, you know like ganja man, but we bring the foreign currency on the island. Hey Babylon, you know like ganja man, but we bring the foreign currency on the island. Oh whoa, whoa, see. Stand up on volcano sound and about me ganja pipe. Babylon. Niyorah, yeah. The system corruption dirty. No political group can lead me. Tafari is my guy. Rastafari is my guy. I love black people, you're gifted, and your strength is so uplifting. Free up and hold up a eye. Whoa, whoa, Rastafari is my guide. Whoa, whoa. Battle tested for the road out there. The lads invested on the road out there. We don't wanna fix up, we don't mix up with them tricksters. We don't link up with gangsters. No way, hey, go check your level on the road out there. The warriors, the rebels know the code out there. Money hungry, belly empty for your century. Them will empty something lengthy because no one cares. The system corruption dirty. No political group can lead me. Tafari is my guide. Oh oh, Tafari is my guide. Whoa, I love black people, you're gifted, and your strength is so uplifting. Free up and all of I. Whoa, Rastafari is my guide. Whoa, politician bragger like, swagger like, crimey like a dagger knife. Sell out all your people, now you feel the damper and a bite. The banner rice, Rasta rice, tired of disaster vibe. Treat the people equal, cause we want more than a bag of rice. Get a life, sodomites, thinking dirty parasites. Fronting on your stunting, deal with something, always have a fight. Take power, tough your tech, feel you full of intellect. Under your corruption, things are crumble, so we interject. Notice poor people worthy of the riches that you have. You may say jokey, the system jokey. Innocent and open body bags. A redemption, African redemption. Focus on the goal, we have a ton. Your intention with pure intention. Now you're a trample Babylon. The system corruption dirty. No political boy can lead me. Tafari is my guide.
Woman who want more playtime, tired of the bench on the sideline. Woman who want more playtime, tired of the bench on the sideline. She want to play, she want to start. Can't pick me, want play, no one come off. She want to play, she want to start. Can't pick me, want play, no one come off. Hear this, touching the street, you know say you're nice. You're not standing for second, you want to be first choice. You want the gift, and you want the prize. Why mine should disappear from in front your eyes? Long time she a work with the program. Hear this, full time till she get her promotion. Woman feel like she there from probation. Why treat the woman right? What you want to do? She want to move up, change her lane and speed up. Be the one to front up, be the one on his home. She want to step up, change the game and be first up. Eliminate and shake up, be a number one. Watch it, hear this. She want to play, she want to start. Can't pick me, want play, no one come off. She want to play, she want to start. Can't pick me, want play, no one come off. Hear this, making love on the bed, the carpet and floor. No, she don't want him go through the door. Because she in love and she sure don't wanna be the next woman no more. Watch it. She want to be in control, so when he try to leave, she pulls him back. Says she don't want to leave him, she just want him to reshuffle the pack. He tried to make her understand, that's why he can't endorse that plan. Baby, you coulda never be wrong, cause you want to be number one. Woman who want more playtime, tired of the bench on the sideline. Woman who want more playtime, tired of the bench on the sideline. She want to play, she want to start. Can't pick me, want play, no one come off. She want to play.
So when them final Chilla.
Here comes a time when everyone get bun. We don't get the beer criminal, worry over win some. I've been through the wind and I've been through the rain. Been through the stress and I've been through the pain. Got my heart broken again and again. That is why I now worry, I pray.
Me woman say fi hold on tight, ya Johnny, cause she woulda never ever diss me fi nobody. So me put me trust in her definitely. To my surprise, she go sleep with the cabby. It mash up me brain and put me in a pain. But you know man strong rocker. Me deal with the matter, deal with it proper. Make a reshuffle and try for the sister. She get messy from her friend. We have flash over hills and she lose and cool and get in a tip. But you can't tell me not to wait. Tell me sit down wait. Me just get me ping with the picture. Baby, no worry for yourself. Settle your heart. It's not what you think, but it's what you talk. No make the mood so up, cause them no know when we start. How you first break me heart.
Here comes a time when everyone get bun. Get bun. We don't get the beer criminal, worry over win some. Oh yeah, me not go complain, you know me not go screw. Me not have no regrets with the things that we do. Because man a real talk, I saw this something gone. And me happy with all the things that me know. So don't kiss your teeth. Me know I say you do it. Because I'm spending enough time out the street while I was checking out. You were checking in. And the wickedest thing, it was with my brethren.
Me woman say fi hold on tight, yeah, Johnny. Cause she woulda never ever diss me fi nobody. So me put me to see in her definitely. To my surprise, she go sleep with the cabby. He mash up the brain and put me in a plane. But you know man strong rocker. Me deal with the matter, deal with the proper. Make a reshuffle and trophy the sister.
Here comes a time when everyone get bun. Me don't get the beat with me now, worry over winter. I've been through the wind and I've been through the rain. Been through the stress and I've been through the pain. Got my heart broken again and again. That is why I now worry I bring.
Say they can't stop me from loving you, no way. Say they just can't stop me from loving you, no way. Whoa, whoa. So many people wanna see me stop loving you, girl. So many people wanna see me stop loving you, girl. No, I can't stop loving you. I wouldn't be so ungrateful to you. You've done so many things for me. You even made me strong when I was weak. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. Oh no. So many people wanna see me stop loving you, girl. But I can't. No way I can. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. The things you do for me, yeah, no other woman have done for me. You make me happy throughout my life. I can't stop loving you, girl, no way. So many people wanna see me stop loving you, girl. Whoa. So many people wanna see me stop loving you, girl. But you're my love, you're my life, you're my woman tonight. Oh well. Hey, say you're my love, you're my life, you're my lady tonight. Alright. Say, no, I can't stop loving you. I wouldn't be so ungrateful to you. You've done so many things for me. You even made me strong when I was weak. Though so many people wanna see me stop loving you, girl, no way. So many people wanna see me stop loving you, but I can't. No, I won't, girl. You're my love, you're my life, you're my honey. Alright, well, yeah. Don't worry. Say you're my love, you're my life, you're my lady tonight and forever. The things you do for me, yeah, no other woman have done for me. You make me happy throughout my life. I can't stop loving you. Whoa, whoa. So many people wanna see me stop loving you, girl. So many people wanna see me stop loving you, girl. But I can't. No. Now I'm gonna tell you this one you don't wanna miss. It's something you can't resist. So wriggle me this or wriggle me that. Now I'm gonna state my case. There's really no time to waste. I think this is the time and place. Listen to me while I say it. I really, really love you, girl.
I think you mean the world to me.
You mean the world to me, yeah.
Shows in my eyes.
There's something that shows me,
tells me you're the one for me.
right now.
now I've got to choose. With you it's either win or lose. I'm placing all my bets on you. Tell me what you're gonna do. No need to contemplate. Right now come seal my fate. Don't even hesitate. I'm giving it to you real straight now. I love you. I love you. I need you too. I think you mean the world to me. Yeah. Your actions. I need you. In my heart, I know something tells me you're the one for me. Yeah, now. You're the one for me, girl, now. I've been watching you as you grow along the way, hoping one day you would stop by and play, girl. And if there's anything that I can do for you, let me know and I'll be there in a minute or two, girl. I knew I had to tell you this. Your love I couldn't resist. I'm giving you a love that's true. Saying it to you and only you. Right now I've got to choose. With you it's either win or lose. I'm placing all my bets on you. Tell me what you're gonna do, girl. I love you. Well, I need you too. I think I got my eyes on you, lady. It's been a while now since I've got my eyes on you, girl. I don't know if it has to do with the way you move. Whatever you're doing it fine, so keep your groove in line. But right now I'm gonna say what's on my mind. I'm in the mood for love. I have got my eyes on you. Oh well, I don't know just what to do. I got my eyes on you. You say the things I wanna hear, I'll be true to you. And if you do the things I want you to, I'll be there for you. When your chips go down, be sure that I will see you through. Tell me you love me, girl, and no one else but me. I'm in the mood for love. I have got my eyes on you. I got my eyes on you. Just what diddle-diddle-ding-dang. I have got my eyes on you. Say I got my eyes on you, girl. I know just what yeah. I'll be there when your chips go down, yeah. I'll be there to see you through, yeah.
After all them years, yeah.
I search your eyes for bliss, praying for a kiss for the last time, baby. Guess you're the one that I need the most. Let me pull your body close for the last time. Can't believe we're really over. My best friend, my only lover. We're breaking up, it's breaking down. Oh, and rain, our tears are falling down on me now. Ooh, 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 ooh. I know I'm losing you, and I don't know what to do. Don't think I'll make it Tell my eyes don't cry for you. Tell my head stop thinking of you. But it's a dark and lonely night. Hey, I'm feeling pain, and the rain keeps falling down. Another dark and lonely night. Dinner table, empty space. I won't eat without your grace. Come bless me. Held hostage by memories of your face, impossible to erase. Baby, come and free me. Convince yourself it couldn't possibly be over. Best friend and only lover. Don't break us up, don't break us down. Oh, and rain or tears falling down on you now. I still can't believe I'm losing you, and I don't know what to do.
Tripplebeam on the case. Oh, I wake up in the morning with my hair down in my eyes, and she says hi. And then I stumble to the breakfast table while the kids were going off to school. Goodbye. She reaches out and touches my hands, squeezes it and says, how you feeling now? But then I look across her smiling lips, it warms my heart, and I see my morning sun. Well, and if that's not loving me, then all I've got to say, oh, Jah didn't make the little green apples, and it don't rain in a Jamaica in the winter time. No, oh, there's no such thing as Dr. Seuss, Disneyland and Marvel Goose, ain't no nursery rhyme. Jah didn't make the little green apples, and it don't rain in Ochirias in the summertime. Oh no. And when myself is feeling low, I think about the face that glow, that ease my mind. And sometimes I call her up at home, knowing she's so busy. Yeah. Ask her to get away and bring me back a bite to eat. She drops what she's doing and hurries down to meet me, and I'm always late. Yeah, she sits waiting patiently, smile when she first sees me, 'cause she was made that way. Yeah, and if that's not loving me, then all I've got to say, oh, God didn't make the little green apples, and it don't rain in a Jamaica in the winter time. No. There's no such thing as make-believe, puppy dogs and autumn leaves and no BB guns. Jah didn't make the little green apples, and it don't rain a Southern Cali in the summertime. Oh no. When myself is feeling low, I think about the face
music in the background, and the wine is so fine. Soft and dim those candlelights sets the mood to the night. Easy flowing conversation, ooh, such great entertainment, 'cause I'm feeling the vibe. Hey,
I wanna be your friend. When will we be together again?
Baby, won't you tell me when? When will I get to see you again?
When will I see you?
I wanna be your friend. When will we get together again?
Yeah.
I wanna be your friend.
I've been here for 3 weeks now, and I'll be leaving on Wednesday. Won't be back for a year or so. Yeah, but I guarantee I will stay in touch. So take good care of yourself until then.
When will I get to see you again? When will I see you? I wanna be your friend.
When will we be together again?
When will I get to see you again? When will I see you again? When will we get together again?
Real soon.
No, I wanna be your friend.
Hey,
it's so nice meeting up with you. We did a really great show.
Maybe in a distance, you'll never know whatever.
George, you should know by now how we feel about each other.
Whatever will be, will be. Oh, Donna,
when will I get to see you again? When will I see you again? When we'll be together? When will I get to see you again?
When will I see you?
Wanna be your friend.
Oh, Donna.
When will I get to see you again? When will I see you?
Picking up the pieces of our lives, my baby. How to explain to a fool in love in the right way? Want to get just what he deserves and set him ready for it. True, now, yes, is my request and all that is therein. And I don't need a chaperone to guide me to it. When you see me breaking, I won't be faking if you take yourself away. Hey, I'ma keep the faith to my nominate, 'cause I got to get you coming to my way. And anyway, your baby don't need one but a reason. It is just a reason enough. Picking up the pieces of us. Your baby don't need to know. No, no, no. It is just a reason enough. Picking up the pieces of us. Some days I'm alone. I think about everything you need and I have it all when you're with me. No end of the road. I became born again and him smiling, smiling me. Up on a way, flying out with you. Just reminiscing all the things we do. You think about our love. Baby, baby, you think about our love. Your baby don't need one for the reason, baby. Picking up the pieces. My baby don't, your baby don't, your baby don't. Yeah. If it's just a reason for love, hell yes. Picking up the pieces. My baby. You know.
Oh God.
No matter how the time tough, them no want us to hang around here. Look how you left with and gone. Still we got to carry on and on. Hey, no preach, no revival. This is for survival. We got to sacrifice. Every tongue must confess. Me say we can't give up. No matter how the time tough, them no want us to hang around here. No, 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 no. Me say we can't give up. No matter how the time tough, them no want us to hang around here. Not even in the city. Them no have no pity. Me say we can't give up. No matter how the time tough, them no want us to hang around here. Me say we can't give up. No matter how the time tough, them no want us to hang around here. No, 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 no. We've been oppressed for so long, so long. I test them, I test if we are still strong. Hey, them try to assess me, but Jaja him a bless me. Who Jah bless, no one curse. Thank Jah we pass the worst. Me say we can't give up. No matter how the time tough, them no want us to hang around here. Me say we can't give up.
Yeah. We can come together. Oh yeah. Robbing and shooting and looting, my brethren, could never be right. No, no. All that careless news carrying, my sister, is unaccepted in the Father's sight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you want a happy life, you must live upright. Endeavor day by day to shine your light. This world is yours and mine. Get this in your mind. Let's wake up and live for mankind. Things could never be right until we unite. We never have to quarrel, never have to forget. Things could never be right until we unite. We never have to quarrel, never have to fight. No. So many people are suffering and dying all over the world. Yeah. Mothers and fathers are crying and praying for all the boys and girls. Yeah. There is so much war and strife and racial genocide. When will mankind ever live upright? Things could never be right until we unite. We never have to quarrel, never have to forget. Things could never be right until we unite. We don't have to quarrel, we don't have to fight. Oh yes, mankind. Oh well, when we love again, yeah.
Backbiting could never be right. No. All the scaredness you've been carrying, my sister, could never be right. Oh no. If you want a happy life, you must live upright and thank God for the day and night. This world is yours and mine. Get this in your mind. Wake up and live for mankind. This could never be right until we unite. We never have to quarrel, never have to fight. This could never be right until we unite. We never have to quarrel, never have to fight. Good God, good God, good God. Look what they do it to my soul. Oh God, oh God, oh God, God. Come along and take control. Good God, good God, good God. Look what they do it to your world. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. I'm not afraid of the Vatican. I'm not afraid of the hooligan. I'm not afraid of Popa. Neither am I afraid of Rome. See, though they seek for my soul, and I love time to take its toll. While the billows roll, yeah, I know Jah is in control. So, good God, good God, good God. Look what they're doing to my soul. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. Good God, good God, good God. Look what they're doing to your world. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. To the tip of the way. Boy, Lord. To the tip of the way. Alright, yeah. Though they come in the multitude, trying to rob and abuse. Yes, we Jah by my side. Yes, this battle I know I won't lose. This way where Jah delivered Donna and the children of Israel, fighting against the heathen. So I know we can do it again. So, good God, good God, good God. Look what they do it to my soul. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. Good God, good God, good God. Look what they do it to your world. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. To the tips of the way. Whoa, Lord God. To the tips of the way. Oh Lord, yeah. I'm not afraid of the Vatican. I'm not afraid of the hooligan. I'm not afraid of Popa. Neither am I afraid of Rome. Though they seek for my soul, trying to gain control. While the billows roll, I know Jah is in control.
I a soldier, I fight for Jah army. Enemy I come right here now with this army. On the battlefield, spiritually we are one. No stumbling blocks in my way. Take up my prophecy, I chant me, I chant. Them never know me live the full 10 commandments. I give God praise and love Him every day, for that is the outward way. I give Jah the glory, oh Lord, Lord Jah and live, I say. Hate him and perish. Wake up this morning I give thanks and praises. They never know, say, that's how we get the wages. They keep wondering how we survive, but Jah is always by our side. They must see things, say, I'm crazy, we crazy. What kind of live button and them tell when you're leaving. Good things say, I and I not lazy. The spirit of Jah will survive. You got to. There's no other way, I say, yeah. Some of them still are run down vanity. Oppress a brother and no love for humanity. What them a do now, what them a say. The road is long but we're standing strong. Take up my prophecy, I chant them. They never know we live the full 10 commandments. Give God praise and love him every day, for that is the helpful way, man. You got to. There's no other way, I say, yeah. Oh well now. Oh yeah now. Rough we rough, we come when we come. Oh well. Say you got to the glory. Praise to the Most High, I say. Oh well now. Oh well. I a soldier, I fight with your army. Enemy I come right, you know we disarm them. On the battlefield, spiritually we are one. No stumbling blocks in my way. Wake up this morning, we give thanks and praises. They never know, say, so we get we wages. They keep wondering how we survive, but Jah is always by our side. Man, you got to. Oh yes now. There is no other way, I say, yeah. Oh, no. Yeah, you got to give Jah the glory now. For his mercies endure forever. His goodness to all man, I say, give him the glory now.
Shout contempt for dying when a poor man cries, there's no answer, there is no response. And when a poor man dies, it's no big deal. It's like they're giving thanks, and it's a sacrifice. Living in the ghetto, their lifestyle not nice. And when they hear our voice, they always choose to ignore. And we let them put a price. But Babylon, anywhere you are, in your house or in your car, judgment coming at you. I say go ahead and run. Anywhere you are, whether near or whether far, judgment coming at you like the bullet from a gun. Anywhere you are, in your house or in your car, judgment coming at you red hotter than a sun. Anywhere you are, whether you're near or whether you're far. Well, bloodshed, the litter in the streets like garbage. The youth, them future getting damaged. Them want to eat up with flesh like a savage.
to the truth. I never run away, and that's why I pray. Preach righteousness and no delay. Never run away, and that's why I pray. Righteousness all the way. I did my shot and them well misled. Taking bribes to shoot man dead, yes. I don't want the violence to spread, oh yes. Them still bring them guns to town, threatening to shoot their brothers down, yeah. So foolish, acting like a clown, oh yes. Better you hold your roots and live to the truth, oh yes. Hold your roots and live to the truth. I never run away, and that's why I pray. Peace, righteousness, and no delay. Never run away, and that's why I pray. Righteousness all the way. Things and times and thoughts will change. Oh yes. So tell the ghetto youth to trust Selassie's way. Oh yes. Rally round the throne. Come, let's gather round. Your eyes gold and green, yeah. Don't let them get you down. On a solid ground. Your heart must be pure and clean. Hold your roots and live to the truth. Oh yes. Hold your roots and live to the truth. I never run away, and that's why I pray. Peace, righteousness, and no delay. Yes. Never run away, and that's why I pray. Righteousness all the way. Oh yeah, yes. Oh yes. Well, oh, well, oh, well, oh, well. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, I love you without apology. And I burn false philosophy. And with them get them ideology. Oh yes. I will still see a biography. Oh yes, oh yes. I never run away, and that's why I pray. Peace, righteousness, and no delay. Yes, never run away, and that's why I pray. Righteousness all the way. Yes, hold your roots and live to the truth. Hold your roots and live to the truth. They must shut down and well misled, taking bribes to shoot man dead. Yeah. I don't want